Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the paper piecing for the title of our Sweet Treats page kit number 7. And I'm going to be using the Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear liquid glue. And we're going to start with the black base, and I'm going to adhere the white piece. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to turn it over, and I like to place the glue about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge so I don't get too much glue coming out when I place it down. Oh, gotta get the center pieces, or the center holes. And this glue does dry quickly, so I gotta work kind of fast there. But I do like to use it for a couple reasons. It gives me a little bit of wiggle room to get it down rather than using a dry adhesive. I can still kind of move it around, but it does dry quick, so you got to work fast. But also, once it dries, it's pretty sturdy. It kind of dries so that your piece is stiff. If you compare to like using a dry adhesive, it'd be more like bendy, pliable, I guess. But when you use this, it makes it real nice and durable. Okay, so there's our base. So our next piece, it's gonna be this one, and I'm just laying it out to kind of get a feel of where it's gonna go, and it's gonna just be centered right in there. And you definitely want to make this the next piece because the words are going to overlap this one, so this has to go down first. I'm just looking around all the edges to make sure that it has an even white border. Okay, this one will be next. And this pretty much covers the whole top except for the top right where you can see a little bite taken out of his ear. So cute. And this piece actually comes from Miss Kate Cuttables. Check out her website. She has some awesome cutting files if you have a machine. Okay, then in this case it doesn't matter if you do the top word or the bottom word next because they don't touch. But I'm going to go ahead with the top one. Again, looking at the white border, want to make sure it's even all the way around. And notice I'm pressing, not rubbing, because I don't want to tear or move my piece. Just pressing it down. And this is barely hanging on here, so be careful with that. If it does happen to come off, just go ahead and glue the pieces down. It'll look fine. Won't notice once everything's glued down. Okay, I see a little bit of glue here. I'm just going to use my finger and kind of wipe that off. Okay, there we go. And the great thing about this glue is it does dry clear. So I still wipe it off because I don't like to have that excess glue, but once it dries, you can't see it. So done. That easy. This is definitely one of our beginner kits. So if you're new to page kits or paper piecing in general, I encourage you to pick up this kit. I will have the link below in the description of this video. And if you like this video, please click the like button. I really appreciate that. And also, if you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel and click that video for click the bell for notifications. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.